Thanks for participating in our usability study. Today we'll be reviewing the Blizzard store. I want to hear exactly what you think, so don't worry about hurting our feelings. We want to use it to improve our site. We'll start with your name.
Alright, my name's David Black.
What's your occupation?
I'm a student.
And how old are you?
20.
Alright, so for the first task, let's look at the store. Go ahead and browse through the page and tell me what you think about it.
I can see that there's games. I can see the games they have. I can download them. And that's about it.
Alright. Do you feel like this page behaves in a familiar and simple way?
Yeah.
Okay, is there anything you don't like about it?
No, it makes sense. There's all this stuff down here. It's all the information you need to know.
Okay,
There's,
so let's assume you already had knowledge about one of the items in games, and go ahead and search for one of those items in the search bar. Are your results accurate?
Yes.
Alright, do you feel like the search bar, do you like that it gives you the results in the search bar rather than giving you a whole new page of results?
Yeah. Well,
okay.
Yeah, I like that.
Alright, do you feel like any part of the searching process should be improved? If so, how?
No, the search bar is pretty nice. It's right there.
Alright,
I like that.
so let's go back to the home page real quick.
Alright.
So let's just say you wanted to go ahead and buy that item. Could you show me how to log in into an account?
Yeah, right here. Log in. Looks like that's it. Okay. Okie dokie.
Is this the same way that you've logged into accounts before?
Yeah, for the most part.
Did you notice any changes in it?
No.
Alright. Would you go ahead and return to the home page from here?
Yeah, I'm in the home page right now.
Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead and could you show me how to change your account settings?
Yes. Account settings. Right where you think they would be.
Could you show me how to update your email address?
Settings. Change email address.
Okay.
It's
There you go. And then
pretty easy.
if you purchased an item in the past, could you show me how you could find that history?
Yeah. Let's go back. I imagine it'd be one of these things. Buy a digital game. Oh, there's one. Transaction history.
Alright. And if you wanted to go ahead and add a new payment method, how would you do that?
There.
Alright. Do you think that button should have a dedicated place on this page, or do you think it belongs in that Dropbox?
Yeah, I think it's good. In that
Okay.
Dropbox. Like, unless you were buying some... Like, if you were buying something, I imagine it would be there, too.
Okay. Now let's pretend you received a gift card. How would you redeem that card on your account?
Code redemption.
Alright, go ahead and click that for me. Now below the entry box, you'll see a list of tips. Do you feel like these tips are helpful in redeeming your code?
Yeah. It's pretty straightforward.
Alright, and can you show me how to return to the home page from here?
I would
The
probably
store
just go
homepage.
there. Probably use the back button. But you can also do that. That's pretty standard.
Now that button actually takes you to Blizzard's homepage. We want to try to get to the shop homepage.
Shop homepage. Oh no. Alright, well. Do
There we go.
Bang.
Now your gift card balance was just shy of the amount you needed to buy your item. So could you go ahead and show me how you would add a balance to your account?
Yeah, right there.
Alright. Was that page easy to find?
Yes.
What are your thoughts on adding a balance to your account like this? Is it?
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. I think you just type it in, there you go.
And below that, the information, do you feel like it explains to you what you can and cannot use this balance for?
Yeah, it tells you how much you have to balance, payment, then you have the agreements, then, yeah, it can't be withdrawn, yeah.
Okay. Now that you have sufficient funds to buy your item, go ahead and show me how you would purchase your item.
Okay, I want Destiny 2, so we're gonna go to the shop. Let's see, where's Destiny 2? I guess this is pre-ordered. Oh, that's annoying. I don't want to buy that game. Looks stupid. Alright. This looks fun. It says buy now. So I'll buy it now.
You feel like it was pretty easy to get back into the store and find the item you wanted to buy?
Yeah, totally. Wait, it's too near the end of the pot. Alright. Here we go.
Alright. Were you able to find how to use your account balance to pay rather than a card?
I think that's it right now, right?
Yeah, it's the default.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's the default. There you go.
Are the options for canceling the purchase, confirming your purchase, and payment options clear to you?
Let's see. Buy.
Yep.
And I could just return.
In this instance, we already own the item, so.
Oh,
but yes,
perfect.
right here it would show you how to do those things.
Yeah, cool.
And do you think our store should implement a cart system, or do you like the just buy now mechanic?
Oh, yeah, that's a good point. I mean, I feel like in this situation, there's not even more than like 12 things, so the cart's not really that important.
Okay. So on to the second to last item. Let's say you purchased your item and you didn't receive it. Could you show me how to contact customer support?
Yeah, probably right here. Yeah.
Does it seem like the frequently asked questions in the articles are pretty explanatory in the issue you might have at hand?
Yeah, that's, I mean, yeah. If I didn't know what I would do, I would just search that, and then if I couldn't find it, I would probably try to find a number to call.
So if, let's say, nothing helped you here, how would you contact an actual person?
There.
Alright. Do you feel like these categories are laid out in a way that makes sense?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. And do you think that this process of contacting customer support's too lengthy? Do you think you should be able to contact a person right away, or are you okay with looking at frequently asked questions?
Yeah, I'm more of a call person. I'm kind of lazy when it comes to figuring out my problems. I'm just like, I just want someone else to tell me what the answer is, so I'm just going to call them.
Yeah,
so
same here.
But then again, they seem like a company that's like smaller, like maybe not able to employ people to support with customer support all the time. So, I mean, I can understand.
Okay. So are there any other things you have to say about making this process more satisfactory?
Just throw a number in there.
Okay.
That'd be helpful.
So let's say you've got ahead and got a hold of customer support and you've received your item. Could you show me how to learn more about the game that you bought that item for?
Probably go here.
Okay. Let's say you bought Overwatch.
Yeah, I'd go for that.
Do you think that drop menu is pretty good for what it is? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Is the navigation from here back to the shop consistent with the rest of the pages that you've been on?
Well, I mean, I assume I'd hit buy now, or I could just go back to the shop.
Back to the shop.
Bang.
And do you feel like that was a pretty easy way to find out how to download the game you purchased or item?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Buy now is right there.
All right.
Very forward about their buying.
Thank you for participating in our usability study. We really appreciate your feedback. Our learnings from this test will be used to improve the Blizzard store. Do you have any questions about what you experienced?
No, thank you.
All right, thanks. Have a good day.
All right.